English vocabulary. Action verbs. I am wearing. I am giving. I am licking. I am blowing. I am breathing. I am sliding. I am slipping. I am falling. I am riding. They are fighting. I am rescuing him. I am laying. I am snapping my fingers. I am throwing the ball. I am kicking the ball. I am catching the ball. I am bending. I am kneeling. They are hiding. They are playing. I am walking. I am running. I am singing. I am dancing. I am cycling. I am skateboarding. I am jumping. I am skipping. I am cleaning. I am sweeping. I am wiping. I am ironing. I am folding. I am whispering. I am listening. I am winking. I am stretching. I am exercising. It's burning. I am teaching. I am fishing. I am sighing. I am carrying. I am spitting. I am vomiting. I am shivering. I am watching. I am crying. I am laughing. I am sleeping. I am awake. I am throwing a tantrum. I am sitting. I am standing. I am knocking. I am yelling. I am rubbing my eye. I am yawning. I am climbing. I am coughing. I am sneezing. I am pushing. I am pulling. I am shopping. I am playing the piano. I am clapping. I am writing. I am studying. I am drawing. I am showing. I am asking. I am looking. I am washing dishes. I am washing my hands. I am chopping. I am squeezing. I am touching. I am shrugging. I am working. The bird is flying. I am helping. I am collecting. I am digging. They are shaking hands. I am holding. They are holding hands. I am sucking my finger. I am tickling the baby. I am burping the baby. I am brushing my hair. I am pointing. I am squatting. I am waving. I am kissing. I am hugging. I am watering. I am scolding. I am tasting. I am entering. I am leaving. I am dreaming. I am cutting. They are waiting. I am driving. I am hearing. I am talking. I am swimming. I am feeding the baby. The cat is licking. I am ordering. I am eating. I am drinking. I am cooking. I am moping. I am reading. I am smiling. I am smirking. I am sewing. I am crossing. I am serving. I am thinking.